Welcome to Veg Indian Kitchen. In this episode, we are going to show you how to make Soya Keema or Soya Bhurji. For this ingredient, you will need our desiccated onion, garlic and ginger, 1 cup of boiled green peas, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1 cup of boiled soya granules, salt according to taste, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of oil. So let's start. To begin with this recipe, first we will take some oil in a wok and heat it for a few seconds. When the oil has heated up, then we will add our desiccated onion, garlic and ginger. And saute it up until it becomes translucent. As you can see, it has become translucent. Now we will add all the spices to it with turmeric powder, red chili powder and salt as per your taste. And now we will mix it. Now we will add chopped tomatoes to it. Give a good mix to it. Wait until the tomatoes get tender. After that, we are going to add other ingredients. Make sure that the tomatoes are tender enough. When the tomatoes get tender, we will add a cup of boiled green peas and give a good mix to it. At the same time, we will add a cup of boiled soya granules to it and again give a good mix to it. This recipe is very simple and it takes very less time to prepare. After that, we will add some garam masala, which will enhance its taste, and mix it again. We need not cook it for long because both the ingredients, that is green peas and soya, is already boiled. So we will add some finely chopped green coriander to it and simmer it for about 5 to 10 minutes, no longer than that. Now we will switch the flame off and take it out in a bowl. It's ready to eat. Garnish it with green coriander. Serve it hot with the chapati or rice. Thanks for watching Veg Indian Kitchen. Please subscribe for more videos.